Hello students, very good morning. Today we will do the GK class, general knowledge. In GK, we have studied about European languages and Indian words in English. Today we are going to study about verbs. Now you all must be knowing what are verbs. In last class you have studied a verb tells about an action. See here, one quote is given. If you know how to handle the verbs, you know how to handle the language. Everything else is just a vocabulary. These words were said by Michael Thomas. So, what are verbs? Verbs. A verb tells about an action or a state of being. There are three types of verbs: action, linking and auxiliary. Now, what are three types of verbs? An action verb expresses action. It tells what a person or a thing does. Now, first is the action words. See, crocodiles swim in marshes. So, swim. This is the action performed by crocodile. This is the action verb. A linking verb links the subject of the sentence with information about it. John is tired. Is the linking verb. An auxiliary verb goes with another verb. Sometimes they are called helping verbs because they help out the main verb. We should hunt for the lost treasure. Now here should is the auxiliary verb and hunt is the action verb. So should, this auxiliary verb helps out action verb. This is the helping verb for hunt. Understood? Now solve the crossword puzzle using the clues given. You all must be knowing what are the crosswords. You all must have played also. Now here one crossword is given, but the questions are related to verbs. See here, down means this questions, and across means horizontal. Okay, so shall we start? Now first is the past participle of know. The word know, we have to find out past participle. Which will be the word? Past participle means the work has been performed. Known. Past participle of know is known. Now third, see here, across. Plural of was. First letter is W, means plural of was. What is the plural of was? If I am saying the sentence, the boy was playing, and if the boys are more, plural, boys were playing. So WERE. Third is the were. Now second letter is E. So we have to find out the second question. What is the second? Past tense of go. What is the past tense of go? Past means the work had already been done. Go means went. Now fifth first letter is T. See here, past tense of teach. Teaching. Past tense, what will be the past tense of teach? Taught. Okay. Now sixth down. Linking verb used with I. Linking verb means, see here, linking verb links the subject of the sentence with information about it. So when we are using I, which is the linking verb used with I? am. Whenever we are telling about ourselves, we use am. I am going, I am doing this work. So am is the linking verb. Now next is seventh. Seventh down. Where is seventh? See. Simple past tense of toss. Simple past. Past tense means the work has been done. Of toss. Toss. Tossed. Tossed. Okay. Now next is ninth. Ninth, two letters are there. Simple present form of be. Simple present. Present means the ongoing process. So present form of be is. The work is being performing. So is will be the letter. Now next is the 11th across. 11th, what tense is the verb waits? Waits. Which form of tense it is? Present, past or future? Waits, present. Present. Now 12 down. 12 down, present tense of ate. Ate. What will be the present tense? Means the work is being performed in present. So eat. Ate is the past tense. Now next is the fourth. Fourth down. Past participle of ride. Ride. Past participle of ride. Ridden. Ridden. Now 10th. 10th across, past tense of do. Do means the work performed. Do. And past tense means the work has been did. Did. 8. 8 across, add this to get the future tense. For future tense, which words we use? To get will. Understood? You have to write in your textbook.